What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Today we are taking the Ram 2500 to get some new accessories. But before we do that, how about some cold starts, right? Let's start with the truck. That's an easy one. Let's hear the cold start of the Cummins here. Ready? Okay. All right, that was cute. A little on the quiet side, but that was all right. Set that key right there, and let's move over to the Camaro. Cold start on this one. Hold on, I don't remember how to work this. We got to hold it. There we go. Then we got to come over here and get one of the Hell Kitty. All right, here goes this one. Woo, look at that smoke. I love how these things smoke when you start them. Yeah, blew out white smoke. There we go. Man, the only key I don't have is the Camaro, the Corvette. It's a Symphony. It's a stick. I know. So you got to climb in and start that one. Look at all these cars, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So anyway, enough joking around. Hey, TK for TK's Garage here. He's gonna be, and I know, just don't even comment. All right. Seriously, if you're gonna just start talking trash, don't even bother commenting. Skip this video. Don't worry about it. So look, guys, we got the Hell Kitty, we got the Corvette, we got the Camaro SS, we got the Dodge, or sorry, shit, the Ram. Yeah. The Ram. We are taking the Ram today. That's what today's video is. I'm gonna shut this one off. We're gonna take the Ram down to four-wheel parts or four-wheel drive parts, or I don't even remember the name, but we're going to take the Ram down there. They have got to get a bed liner installed. They're putting a flip back aluminum, I think, tonneau cover on it, and finally, thank God, we're getting some running boards, because this thing is it's a bear to get in and out of because it sits so high off the ground. So let's get down there. It's not sponsored, of course. I pay it out of my own pocket, all the stuff that I gotta say, because everybody thinks people just give me everything for free when they don't. Let's get down there, let's get this stuff installed and see what it looks like when we pick it up. All right, guys, we made it to Four Wheel Parts. As you can see by all the trucks they got over here. I want you to take one last look at the diesel, the Cummins over here. All right, beautiful Ram truck, no running boards. It's got no bed cover and no bed liner. So let's get it in here, get all these accessories installed, and see what she looks like. All right, guys, we are finished at Four Wheel Parts. We got the Hellcat, we got the 2500, and take a look, guys. I took your advice and we finally got the running boards. Now, I know a lot of people have been asking, are we going to tint the windows? I've got that new ceramic window tint coming for this very soon, guys. So I'll do a video about that as well. It's cost me about 600 bucks for the front, back, rear window, and the strip across this window right here. But this stuff is lifetime warranty ceramic. That should be some good stuff. As soon as we get that done, we'll come back and do another video. Here's what I got for the running boards. I think they look decent. I think the brushed aluminum really kind of ties in with the brushed aluminum look of the wheels and the chrome look on the door handles right here. I don't think it went too overboard. I think it actually ties everything in really nicely with the chrome badging here, chrome here, chrome here. I think it looks good. I haven't tried it out yet, so we'll do that real quick. Let's see. All right. Yeah, that's solid, man. Hey, you try it.
I was gonna say, give it the fat boy test.
Yeah, let him try it.
It was at this moment.
He knew that he...
Yep. It looks good.
Yeah.
It's holding my big ass up here.
Yeah.
Woo.
I call that a good deal then.
Yep.
Yeah. All right, so yeah, we got the new running boards, but actually the running boards were kind of the main thing for me. But this right here was another big deal. because I cannot put stuff in the bed without worrying if somebody's gonna steal it, you know, if you gotta run in somewhere. So this is the Backflip MX4, and this is aluminum. So you're not gonna have to worry about someone stabbing it, cutting through it, and stealing your stuff. The bed locks. When you lock the truck, the tailgate locks. So you're not getting in here, guys. You're not getting in here. Not without putting in a lot of work and making some noise. This, I think you just pull that down. There you go, and look at that. It flips up, and if you need more room, flips up again. If you need more room, you gotta pull the handle again, and then it should, there we go, flip up. And, well, you gotta pull the handle one more time. There we go. And it's got a nice little resting thing right here. So it's not gonna knock out your window or damage your truck. You'll rest up against it. You can load everything up. You've got almost all of your bed space still here. And I know you guys are looking going, wait a minute, something's missing. And you got these down here too, guys. I probably failed to, where are they? Do I not have one on my side?
Yeah, you do, right there.
Am I missing it?
Yep, down.
Right here?
Yep.
No, that rod.
Oh, it's up.
Oh, okay. So it's supposed to actually slide right here and lock. So they didn't put it up. This, guys, is in case you need to lock this down right there. If you don't want it to move, you pull this down so that when you're driving, it doesn't, the wind doesn't grab it and lock it down. So right now, see, she's locked in place. And then when you're done, move that up, pull this out, locks back in place right here. And it closes just as easy as folding it down. Done, just like that. And I know you're wondering, where did the bed liner go? Well, as it turns out, my dumbass ordered the wrong bed liner. I ordered the one for the long bed. This is not a long bed. This is a short bed. So, hey, there it is. Kind of short, sweet, to the point on this one, guys. That's all I got for this video. Thanks to 4 Wheel Parts for hooking us up. Again, not sponsored. I'll make that very clear. I paid out of pocket for all this. Oh man, how many miles we got on this bad boy now? Let's take a look. We got 1,620 miles on the truck, currently averaging 16.2 miles a gallon. This truck has been a beast, guys. She has been doing so good. Rides great, drives great. I absolutely love this truck, man. Yeah, so I dropped my mic, of course. This thing's gonna need to get cleaned up a little bit. And now that I got the running boards on it, I like it a little bit more. I really do. I think it makes it look a little better, and it's gonna make it a hell of a lot easier for me to climb in and out of. Just an all around beautiful, beautiful truck that's giving me no issues. And of course, with the Hellcat, I got no complaints on the Hellcat, guys. I'm absolutely loving that car. I almost can't help myself. We need to do a quick startup, and that's how we're gonna kind of do an outro on this video. We'll start this one up for you. Oh, that's the Ram. That's not the Hellcat. There's the Hellcat right there. All right, you ready? Really? Here we go. Nah?
Door's open.
Oh, the door's open? Damn it. I can edit that out, but I'm gonna leave that in there for you guys, all right? We'll leave that in. Let's try this again. Here we go. It sounds like a fire-breathing demon, man. Oh, it sounds so good. Sounds so good. Oh, I know someone's gonna be like, what is that? I peeled off the sticker on the back. I just got to get some goof off and get that off. Yes, we will be taking this to get ceramic coated and paint corrected at the Auto Spa LLC, of course. And we're approaching that 500-mile break-in, guys. So stay tuned so we can have a little more fun with it once we cross 500 miles. What are we at now? 170? About almost 200 miles. So we are almost there. So hopefully in one of the next videos, we'll be able to go out, light the tires up a little bit, maybe do a couple little donuts, you know, get squirrely with it. Yeah, we got something coming for you guys, so stay tuned on that. Hope you enjoyed the video on the Ram 2500. Man, I got two great cars from David Stanley. which I gotta admit, I'm a little surprised. No offense, David Stanley, but I'm a little surprised with my last experiences with you guys. They really made up for it on these. Literally, just stay tuned. I can't believe I got this for 60, what did I get, 68? Yeah, 68,000 out the door. That is an insane deal on a brand spanking new Hellcat. And big shout out to TK from TK's Garage, because he's been I bet he's been bored out of his mind, man. Just all I'm doing is running around all day, answering phones, mate. Well, yeah. Okay, that was fun.
How can we be bored in this?
That was fun. This was fun.
Yeah.
This is kind of boring, but it's comfortable. This is very comfortable. It's a fun it's a fun big cruise. We got two great cars here, guys. That's all there is to it. Check out TK's Garage if you're interested in watching his content. He's got a lot of stuff coming to his channel too. Big shout out to him. I'm gonna get out of here, guys. So if you enjoyed this content, give the video a big, I'm holding my mic, and my mic is on the fritz, guys. If you enjoyed this content, give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to drop your comments down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're not currently subscribed. Stay tuned, guys. There's a lot more coming. This Hellcat's gonna bring, well, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what they do. It may end up a garage queen. Somehow I don't think that's ever gonna happen to this car. It'll end up in a ditch before it ends up a garage queen. Stay tuned, guys. A lot more coming to the channel. Thank you all for watching. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, Auto Auction Rebuilds. Until next time, stay safe out there, buddy. I will catch you all very soon in the next one. And for those of you that were cool enough to stick around to the end, oh yeah, this is for you. Woo, I am high as a kite right now. Woo, that thing is burning straight fuel.